Hello friends, now we will see how to use Excel for advanced data analysis. So basically everyone doesn't have the access to paid software which can help in the statistical analysis like ANOVA, t-test, correlation, etc. So here I'll show how to how you can activate the add-ins in your Excel, which is easily available to every researcher. And by activating this add-in, you can perform the statistical analysis with the help of Excel. So for that, you need to, first of all, I'll show you the data tab. Here if you click on data, you can see these are the different options available. So at the end you can see group, ungroup and subtotal, and these options are available. So if you'll, there is no option for data analysis. So once you'll activate the add-in for statistical analysis, you will able to see this option here. So for that you can click on file, go to option and click on option. After that this window will open, and then in that you click on add-ins. Here these are the activated add-ins. So at present no add-in are activated, and these are the inactive application add-ins. So to activate the add-in, we'll click here and then select Excel add-in. It's already selected, so you can directly click on go. So another window will appear. So here these are the different add-ins available. So none of the add-in is selected or activated. To activate the add-in for your statistical analysis, we will select analysis tool pack. So this add-in is used for statistical analysis in the Excel. So we'll select it and then click on OK. Once you'll click on the OK, you can see the data analysis option is already appeared here in this Excel file. So if we click here on data analysis, another window will open, and it is showing that with this data analysis option you can perform ANOVA, single factor, two factor with replication, two factor without replication, correlation, variance, other tests like t-test, z-test, and many other tests. So we will see how to use this test in another video. Thank you.